Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today we gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. At first, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers really play an important role in the educational life of the students. Teachers teach us good manners and make our future bright. Teacher Day is one of the most memorable days in the life of a teacher and a student. Today, let's say a big thank you to our teachers. Thank you.